Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix your Xbox controller where the lights are blinking and it's not syncing up to your Xbox. Now, the first thing you should check is the batteries. Remove the batteries and place them back into your controllers. If your controller is low on charge, it might cause a syncing issue. So if you have the Xbox Elite controller, we can just hold down the Xbox button and this will manually turn off the controller. So let's just turn off the controller and just do a power cycle of the controller, and then we can just turn it back on and see if we can get it to sync now. Now, what we want to do is press the sync button on the controller, so you can see it right here, and you can see on the Xbox the sync button is located in the bottom right. We have to press both of these buttons at the same time to get it to sync properly. So let's press it on the controller and the sync button right here on the Xbox, and you'll see the light blinking there, and the light will blink on my controller. So if you get these to blink at the same time, eventually they will sync. Now, another thing that you could try is holding down the Xbox button on the Xbox itself, and this will power cycle your Xbox. So just hold it down for about 5 to 10 seconds, wait for it to stop blinking, and then just power it back on, and then go through the same process. Now, if you still are having issues, the easiest way to just simply connect them is with a USB cable, and I believe this is USB-C. Plug this into the front of the Xbox, plug it into the controller, and this will go ahead and get it to sync pretty much instantly. You just press the Xbox button, and boom, they will be in sync with each other. Also, keep in mind of how close you are to the Xbox. If you're too far away trying to get it to sync, if you're like on the couch, your Xbox is by your TV, get closer and try to sync it together. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.